I wanted to share with you about therapy that I had done on phobia removal of a person from tier 2 city, and this was done online. He had claustrophobia. Now, claustrophobia, in case you don't know, is a fear response when you are in a closed environment. Either it could be a lift or it could be a closed room, anything like that. So, he had this claustrophobia for over 28 or 29 years. And I want you to guess, how much time do you think it would have taken to remove this phobia? 28 months? Nope. 28 weeks? Nope. 28 days? No. Not even 28 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. And this gentleman was himself surprised as you are right now. And he has currently not been ready to come and give the testimonial because he feels that I want to test it first. Will this last long? And I have told him that yes, this is done once and it is sorted forever. So what did I do? I didn't give him any medicine. So would there be any medicine? आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाके बोलेंगे कि मुझे फोबिया है तो कोई मेडिसिन है उसकी? There is no medicine. But what I want you to understand is that there are different therapies at neuroscience level. And what I did with him, I'm just going to share that with you. So, in case you don't know me, my name is Achla Bharadwaj, and I'm a mindset coach and licensed neurolinguistic programming trainer. And with the neuroscience tools, I helped this gentleman overcome this phobia. So, I want you to know the fact that your subconscious mind cannot understand the difference between reality and imagination, right? So, इसलिए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये जो फोबिया था ये 28 साल पहले एक सिचुएशन हुई थी तब आया था या 28 दिन पहले था. For the mind, if you are able to see that very clearly, as if it has happened yesterday, then it means your mind is running the same loop from those past years. And I used two tools of neurolinguistic programming that helps to remove the image. So, how does the mind understand the meaning of any situation? It understands meaning through the different carriers, and the carriers are our five sense organs. So, if the image is very vivid, or if the sound is very clear, or if the feeling is very clear, you can feel that feeling right now. That's it, what we need as a mindset coach. And like this, I have helped more than 1,000 people to overcome phobia. Now, most of the people think that it's okay. अगर हमें claustrophobia है तो क्या हुआ? I have made peace with it. But you don't even realize that how many opportunities you would have let gone. कितनी opportunities आपने छोड़े होंगे. Just like this gentleman. So Mumbai is just 2-3 hours drive from his place. But he never visited Mumbai. He never relocated to Mumbai just because Mumbai has got all skyscrapers, buildings, and he could not enter the lift. Now he has planned to travel to Mumbai or possibly shift there and then get on to another job. So, my dear friends, if you are also somebody who has been stuck with any kind of phobia, now is the time to get rid of it. And trust me, it is not even an hour's job. एक घंटे से भी कम लगता है. You can get it done online, you can get it done face to face. But my only suggestion to you is don't live with this phobia when you have mechanisms to get rid of this very, very quickly. In case you are suffering from any kind of phobia, please DM me and let's start to live a phobia free life. This is your friend and coach Achla Bharadwaj. Stay tuned, and I'm going to invite this gentleman very soon to come in front of you and share his experience live. Take care. Bye bye.